Today is the Enlighten Idea First Film Festival 10th anniversary celebration of our company. At this film festival, we're showcasing some of our films, 15 of our 35 films, and among them is Your Mother's Son, starring Cocoy De Santos and Sue Prado, Miggy Jimenez, and Laura Españo. It's the Philippine premiere of this movie after Toronto, after Taipei, and after Tallinn in Europe. So it's our opening film.
Sana magkaroon pa tayo maraming screening. Pero yun. Yes.
We're screening our movies like Dementia, our first film, Sleepless, Ang Manananggal sa Unit 23B, About Us But Not About Us, a lot of our films. And the highlight is that at the end of most of these, we will have a Behind the Idea Q&A with the filmmakers, director, and the writer. Because our company is all about creatives, so we know that there are a lot of students and a lot of cineasts who are interested to find out, you know, how these films came about. And then the tentpole, I guess, of our programming for this weekend is the writing masterclass of June Robles Lana. So it's a two-part, 2-hour, so it's 4 hours, masterclass of Direct June. And that will be followed by roundtable discussions with writers. And the Writers Roundtable is with our national artist Ricky Lee, Direct Jose Javier Reyes, Moira Lang, Jerry Gracia, Rodi Vera, all award-winning writers. And then on the second day, it's a Directors Roundtable with Zig Dulay, Sigrid Bernardo, May Cruz Alviar of Rewind. And now recently, Direct Chito Ronyo also confirmed that he will be attending. So yeah, I think that's the highlight of the festival.
Favorite na movie from Idea First?
Parang marami akong favorite sa Idea First kasi, well, unang-una, Idea First, sentro yung kwento sa kanila. Pero more than that, daring sila eh. Hindi nila ginagawa yung usual lang na formula ng pelikula. Laging meron silang dinadagdag na iba sa mga pelikula nila. So,
karamihan po ng comments about sa movie na Idea First is hindi lang siya entertaining, may lessons or malalim na topic.
Yeah, lagi siyang may tinatakol na issues na hindi mo inaasahan or nilalaliman niya yung pagtakol niya ng issues. So tama, nililibang ka niya, in-entertain ka niya, pero meron siyang malalim na sinasabi sa'yo na nakakapasok na lang. Maski na yung mga comedy niya, tawa ka ng tawa, pero actually, nasasaktan ka at natututo ka. Para sa Idea First, kina Percy at kina June, patuloy kayong gumawa ng mga pelikulang ginagawa niyo ngayon and keep pushing the boundaries. Sana tayong mga nanonood ng pelikula, maging handa tayong manood ng mga pelikulang hindi lang yung usual, hindi lang yung inaasahan natin, kundi mga pelikulang, oo nga, pwede palang ganun ang pagkakakwento, pwede palang ganun ang nilalaman.
Okay, thanks.
Yun kasi kami, I mean, when we started the Idea First company, kaming dalawa ni Percy, from the name itself, I mean, we want to put value on the story. The story is the master, and then importante din sa amin na hindi lang kami basta nag-e-entertain o nagpapatawa, nagpapaiyak, kundi meron kami medyo nag-i-impart ng konting mensahe.
believer in independent filmmaking, and yung mga nagpapatakbo ng idea first, mga auteur yan eh, tsaka mga kaibigan natin, no? So kailangan natin supportahan. They're among the most creative, talented, most courageous people in the industry. So whenever they have a production like this, we need to give them all out support. They deserve it, and we need to tell everyone about their films para mabuhay yung industriya natin, mabuhay yung mga creatives natin, no? Hindi lang to tungkol lang sa pera. It's really about kung paano natin pasisiglain yung ating filmmaking community.
Diba? Get driven by passion. And next thing you know, you wake up, 10 years has passed and 35 films have been produced. So congratulations sa lahat na naging part ng 35 films na yun. And thank you very much, Tiwala.